For 50 years, Meyer Lansky was the criminal mastermind who never got caught. He laundered billions through Cuban casinos and Swiss banks. The FBI watched him constantly, but could never make anything stick. His secret: mathematical genius and meticulous records. While other mobsters went to prison, Lansky stayed untouchable. He built an empire of legitimate businesses hiding dirty money. But when he died, investigators made a shocking discovery. The man who managed fortunes for the mob had been secretly skimming from his own bosses. America's greatest financial criminal died nearly broke.